Hey guys, how are you doing today? I hope you're fine wherever you are watching me from. If you're just new here, my good name is Lucia. So I welcome you all to today's vlog. Feel much appreciated wherever you are, and thanks for coming again to watch my video. I appreciate a lot. So today is another beautiful day, and I thank God for this new day. So today I'm going to do a few things here in the house, cleaning, cooking, and so many things. So keep locked here, like this video and subscribe if you haven't done that. But first of all, please like this video. Have you liked? Thank you so much. So welcome to today's vlog. I hope you enjoy. I want to work on this porch of ours here. Our dining seats are worn out. These ones came with this dining table, and we are remaining with two only, and this one broke yesterday. Can you see? Yeah, this one broke yesterday, so I'm going to keep them these two in the store right here. And also we have a lot of things there. I love a lot of junk things there. I'm going to transform this place here, and also this shoe rack, I'm going to remove it from there and put it in the store. I will find a small one that I'm going to put inside the house, but as for now I'm going to pick the shoes that we normally wear, and the others I will just keep them in our store. So watch me as I do that, guys. Watch me as I start transforming this area. And also I'm going to clean the house. I'm going to do a thorough cleaning in here because I haven't done anything so far. It's I think it's 9:30 a.m. and this is the good time that I can start working on this house. This is solar. We normally use solar some days, and other days we use electricity, but it's good to use solar because solar is free. And also we have I haven't cleaned the kitchen. Olivia, she's going to wash for these dishes for me because they are not many. Yesterday we cooked minced meat. This is what we had yesterday. This is minced meat and spaghetti. Yeah, and that is what is remaining. So without wasting any moment, let me start my day. I hope you are fine wherever you are. We are all good here. We thank God for the good days. Let me switch off this light. everything is white, very clean. And also I've removed the covers of these seats of ours. Tomorrow I'll be doing laundry, and that's how they look when they don't have the covers. They are very white. Yeah, so I have wiped everything. We don't have electricity right now. We still have our solar. I don't have steam. Yeah, so my house is clean. It's lunchtime, so it's time for me to prepare something, and after that Olivia, she's going to clean the dishes, because I'm really tired. I'm so tired, so tired. So let me warm this minced meat and spaghetti so that we can eat. Yeah. So guys, it's 7 p.m. so I'm preparing supper for my people. So the day has been so good. I rested in the afternoon, so it's time for me to cook, to prepare supper for the family. I hope your day was well as mine. Yes, so this is what I'm preparing today. I'm preparing ugali and greens. That's what we are going to have. So just a simple food. Let me show you. So this is water that I've put for ugali, and these are the greens that we are going to have with. And I'm planning to give the kids ugali with mala, because we have mala in the fridge. I want them to have that, while as for me and my hubby, we are going to have the greens and ugali, and we call it a day. We call it a day. Yeah. So let me wait for my water to boil, and then we see. I cook. I'm going to take like 30 minutes. I will be done. Not 30, less than 30 minutes. Huh? It's dark outside. It's very dark. It's 7 p.m. Let me show you how it normally is here at our place at night. At night. Yes, this is at night at our place, and this is how it looks. Yeah, can you see? Can you see those lights from far? Yes, that's how it is. Very beautiful, and so many creatures. Can you hear the sound of creatures at night? That's how it looks here. Yeah. Outside the gate, it's very dark. You can't even go outside. But this plot here has got lights. Can you see? Yeah, it has got lights there. And that's how it is here at our place at night. That's how it normally looks here. And beautiful creatures. Can you hear the sound of creatures? Yeah, that's how it is. And this is our security guards. Yeah, they sleep here guarding us. Yeah, we have 3 of them. We have that one and this one and this one. So they normally stay here and alert us anything that they hear. And if you want a bike, yeah, we have lots of them. We have mountain bikes, we have kids bike. Call us if you need a bike for your kid, for yourself. You can contact us and we will deliver. We usually deliver. We have sold some few bikes. Can you see they have reduced? They were just here. There were so many. We have sold some few of them, and thank you for your support. For those who haven't bought a bike from us, you are most welcome. All right, so without further ado, let me just go and finish what I was doing. All right.